Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana ethi po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Izin. Oh, Izin Peter.
Some rework.
Azibophizi.
Zimpita? I not anymore.
Akudependi
Not anymore. Awukazibotsho wena.
awukazibanjwe ngebruku
Akasabotsho.
uyisunga emuntu
Ayizimpita zibophi azabophi.
Ziyabophisa.
ziyabophisa
Ismoke ukuthi anti lapha sokusenziwa ama drugs.
idakamizo unosithi ama-drugs kangani
Impita siyilokhuzeni ama-drugs.
Imbanja zo drug wena.
Uchoba.
Kusho
Hayi.
mina.
Muthi lo.
Umuthi wayo.
uphilisani
Aqinisa amathambo.
but
Just siqalisile ukurecorda ne? Okay. So was that Kajawa you.
ungangenanga kuhle
Ungangenawo kuhle.
ya kuyatholakala
But otherwise hayi.
into ezikhona
Sesirecordela nje ukuthi singathini.
A recording.
Salibonani.
Salibonani.
yebo injani bakithi
How did you wheel? Ithabani is fine.
Yes, daddy.
homecoming
No.
Yabona into lana yokuthi yabuthaba kancane ukuthi awukhona but vele lapha sizakhuzwa.
Sipho mhla sikhuzo obumzalise khona.
thina sikhula abazali wasinxa ubuya sasibahlabelela
Dalibahlabelela.
sasihlabela thina umdazo nxa ifika
Ngoba?
vela angikwazi kwakuyi-love language
Ngcono.
sasihlabela thina
Indaba khule bengekho baba yini.
sorry ngangifuna ukuli-trigger
Fatherless behavior.
Ubaba wayehambe esiyathenga uchago kaphenduka.
Other fathers present.
Yeah.
no, shout out present does bro
Yeah.
shout out present
But
does
ngananzelela ukuthi yazi you were so cooked bro. Awusekho normal yazi ukuba le uphuma emulini sharp. Like lo mama lo baba.
Kaso
So we privilege.
So we flex.
So we flex.
well for mina I argue ukuthi
So you
sokuyi-flex for abantwana abazalwa in this generation
Ah.
do you get me so thina ukukhula kwethu a lot of us stable households kathesi dog abantu abazala kathesi kuya kuthiwa nge-weekend yakuba bakho ekhumala wena but ngile-
Obaba ngoprice
Eh,
labo
so
mthombo.
yabona isitori lesane sokuthi mina ngihlala
Mina
ekhumala
so baba ngingudedi.
Okay.
It's crazy. But otherwise, guys, how are you doing? Nakudala ngaligcina mos. Dala ngaligcina zini. Bengikhanuka futhi yazi egangeni ngale. Ngalokhoze the picture like of you guys. Emdulwini. Picture lani sayithatha no angisikomori ngayo.
ya bese ngisitsho ukuthi
So you
yakho le
decide
isi-
I take kubeke emuzi tuthini.
I don't do nasty things ngayo. But nje khokhana ukuthi yabona
Ngale.
ngiyithanda yabona. Yeah.
Indlela
Ayinamathisela
othanda
wesingasweli iframe so nganamathisela ngeselo tape.
Echingam.
Emdulwini ndaba ngayiswela lechingama.
Yipi angibona nje, yipi picture?
uleliane isayithatha sibaningi so.
Oh, episode 100. Okay.
No, not episode.
Yeah.
Episode 100.
Yeah, it was 100.
Yeah, I think I would too. No, I too am a pictures angkhona. Yeah.
150. Sila.
Karona mana, okhulumule mic khona?
Yebo baba.
Okay.
At least yasurvive indwangu.
Majenzi, mina ukuthi ngalizwa story sama lina lali ngenza umuntu lamanga le. Lali ngenza umuntu lamanga. Like I feel like that week manje ngilibisile, yabona? That week vele into zami zazingana zihambi sharp. Because on our way to Espanini, like it's an hour drive from town, like the Vic Falls town. Endleleni lapana dog. Sichayisane ama buffalo. Angilitshele manga madodana. Sapfika sabreaka lapha. Ibuffalo lana isibuye e1 esibuya so ngandlela phambili bese. Akola muntu akukhuluma anything. Udriver wapho ngushaya uhuta kuphela. Yikho ukuthi isuke ihambe but yayisibuye.
Yayilanda.
Ngathi kumbe ngubonile. Fike eroomini lapho engihlala khona, one room. I-property yami yonke ngiyibona nje. Umbheda, TV ya.
Vele mawuchibilika so yavula ifridge.
Yavula ifridge.
Wow.
Yavula ifridge.
Yakithi seduze.
Istove vele lapana vele.
Ekusembhedeni.
Pheka nsembhedeni nibe fry sausage ngiligoqele entanyeni. Yabona ifeature la. Parasina kumnandi ukuhlala wedwa because ezinye izinto awungazenzi ngini uyazenza nzani. Nje uchemele esinkini.
But like kumbe tapping.
Koropa get this time.
I'm not saying yazenza into lezi but anyways. Fike roomini laphana esinkini. Ngithole kule Scorpio.
Omele uhlu sicheme.
Omele
Usicheme once.
and into zonke zona lezo zenzakala nge-one day. Buffalo, Scorpio, Swi, Mbonile. Tosteka file. 2 days later lapha. 2 days later. Mvele Espanini kuyachisa ndoda ngale kuyachisa la kuyachisa. Yabo? Mvula iwind, mvula amawind, amvuli amawind vele mina. So amawind angikhona ale cage so like yavula iwind but kule cage futhi so ukuthi kungangeni inyamazana. That yangazi ukuthi nganithabeleni. Athi
ngokuyi personal jail wakho.
ngavula lokuyilokhu zinini. Ngavula lokhu icage loka. Ngasivilela amawind. Angazi ngajume kanjani. Ngajumeka mina. I think ngajumeke ngome 10 minutes or so. Ngathi ngiyaphaphama. Ngabona kule creature phambi kwami la. Mina madoda sijayela izinja. Like ngicela uku-imagine lokho. Thina sijayela omakiti, sijayela izinja. Izinyamazana esizijaya ukuthi singavuka siphambi kwakho.
Yiyo ngayithethisa.
Ngavuka ngathola kule nkalakatha yendwangu madoda.
Mangithi papa. Yo.
Man wathi? Waxotsha njengobhuti.
Ngascreama.
Wasicreama njani?
I-first reaction yami ngoba yikuscreama. Ngathi ha.
Abula.
No, obvious.
No screama wasicreama njani?
Lalela nini? Reason why ngeke ngiscreame nje uthi ngascreama njani is because imic yabona umsindo. Some people yabo.
Nyayilungisa.
Lapho ngokuthi no plus yabona.
Abalungisa
No,
editing lo.
my throat is. Is it
Khohlwa.
yabo? Ngascreama bafethu. Isimo ngento leya ingayethuka. Ihlizijiye konapho. Ihlikhiphe konke futhi yakhipha umchemo yakhipha kawani. Ngali sithoba umuntu uyanuka majenzi. Indonga liyazi. Madoda. Ngangile scarfthini yabona angela toast ngale mina. Angela toast ngale. So vele mangisuka ngihle ngishiye nginjani? Ngihle ngishiye ngitoastile ukuthi lesi ngizasichaya maybe at least for the first week lapha because ngiyithanda like that yabona. Ngangifaya phakathi kwescarfthini itoast lapha. Unkalakatha ahlabambe itoast lapha adlalele duzane le wind. Yabo? So impi lapha nozokuyikuthi unkalakatha kanjani?
Achi toast.
Achi iscarfthini alanda wale toast. Ansela ndawa le toast vela sayifuni.
Tupperware.
Achis kaftin.
Tupperware.
Oputha swavula nje. Like wavula sibili lozi. Wathatha toast.
Proper sibili wathi
Thatha toast. Waphuma ngewindi wachapa phansi.
Yeah, into ngidla toast.
Mathotha.
Yeah.
Lokuyana kusi experience oyifisayo lokana like umnuko lapha.
Ngaba sokumele uclean futhi.
Ngawumele ngiclean because ngangeke ngiphile lamakakelo kuze
Endwangu.
So nje akuba lapha
Ngomusa.
ngomusa la ngothando lenkosi but our back again. Happy New Year.
Continents.
Happy New Year.
Compliments.
Continents of the new of the
yeah,
new year.
Yeah. Complications.
Continents of the new year.
Merry New Year.
So I need to clarify something.
Yeah.
There is a video of umuntu njengami circulating
Kanjani?
on TikTok.
Uyabona khona ukuthi suchasisa.
No, lalela nini. Yimi sibila ngiyali. But I want to just say ukuthi 90% of the things there you guys know me.
Ah, boss. You guys believe video.
No, but you guys know me.
Yikho videos you believe.
Yazi, I think into eliqiniso ku video la. Anibabuza ukuthi what do you
Wabuza ukuthi would you date you?
Yeah, ngathi definitely.
Liqiniso.
Lapha ngiqinisile lapha.
Sharp.
But
Ividiyo imnandi eqaleseni. Mbani ibizo lakho? Ngumgcini nje.
ngayi excited. Ngangakwazi ngathi nsizibizo le show futhi ngahle ngathi oh shit.
Watch a culture shock.
Wathi mind of a boyfriend ngathi what?
We don't have the capacity.
Ngathi no. Awumchito wahle vele.
Wahla shoot.
Wathini? First question wathini?
Wathi ungazijola wena.
Yeah, mina ngathi swi. Alapho mina ngingazijola sibi. Angila problem lakho. Wambuza wathi nxa ngidinga umfazi ngikhangelana. Ngathi nyasha, angikhangeli nyasha mina.
Hayi wakhuluma.
Awukhangeli totally.
Angilandaba la.
Ayibalulekanga.
Ayibalulekanga kimi.
Ukhangelana.
Like abangaziyo. Bakwazi ukuthi mina ngithanda
Sesi
inkazana.
confused bro.
Like
Yeah,
ngithanda amankazana amahle yabo.
All right.
Like ungaba muhle. Whether ungala inyasha because base bengi-attack osisi abangala nyasha. Bathi sikuzwile wena ukuthi uthanda inyasha.
How the real bro?
But I think you're allowed
Man.
to like what you like, dog.
No, but ngase ngivalela amanye ama-candidates angalayo. Engiwafilayo mina.
Alright. Awala
So kumele
nyashi.
ngibuye nginjani? Balayo but ngiyokuhlala. Ayikho extraordinary.
Mina I feel like into leyo sanda uyikhuluma ile targeted market yayo.
Hlala.
So to whoever is the market, umgcini ngalandaba lenyasha kangaka.
Mina ngikode
safe.
laze lamfonela ngisegangeni la ngibuza ngazikhulumela mina nje ngumuntu oyithandela yini. Kodwa kuyena ngathi ngiyakuthanda lapha. Yabo?
Alright.
So lokho okunye futhi kwini abakubuzayo.
Bakubuza ukuthi would you date
Abambuza i-50-50.
Oh yes.
Bambuza i-50-50 halokho naye. Imali mawendoda imali ithathwa kuwe. Lamanga monke. Indoda amele ibhadale leyo nkinto. Indoda
Buza amanye amadoda ungabuza umuntu.
Hayi amadodana.
Buza amanye amadoda.
Lina, do you believe in 50-50? Actually, mbuzo leyana vele.
No, I don't believe in 50-50. But I don't believe in 60-40 being 60-40 why.
You're falling.
So ngabe 60-40 ngawo ukuthi this time yimi ngu-60 dog. You understand? Chiko 40.
Ukuthi lokho zenini.
Oh, yimi engu-40.
I-exchange rate yabo mama.
Dakiwe dog.
Wayibona imimi leyani e-MacBook le macaroni.
Le macaroni.
Yeah.
Exchange rate yabo.
Yilokho zenini.
Exchange rate yabo.
I-representation of ilokho zenini. Ama-percentages we-contribution ku-relationship.
Bro, I don't know. I think the whole 50-50 thing apply but different situations. Like kula situations where we really need to be 50-50. Then kulezinye izinto where ezumchita ngofana provide like ubhadala ama bills kuvele kufuze kuphume ku. Nxa ukuthi selihlala lonke type vibe. But nxa lisajola laphana I think ama dates kufuze la abhadala uMrs phela. Kufuze la ake akukhasi.
Mina ngifila guilty vele ukudla imali yenkazana.
Because yakwazi ukuthi ukudla imali yenkazana is very rare. I know girls will say no, but if a girl likes you, she's gonna spend.
Amanga
dog. Girlies don't spend.
Amanga.
Guys,
Girlies.
I've said this.
Maka.
I don't believe in 50-50. Ngakhuluma ukuthi men and women are not equal, they're just equally important in a relationship.
Yes.
But Anju, if uCherry ekuncwanya Jeki uza spenda on you, not regularly as much as you spend njengabe kungafanani, no.
Because take
Yikho
exchange
ngasoke
rates.
ngiyibone vele.
Because take exchange
Le
rates.
spending yangikhona.
I spending ngikhona uza yenza nge-day that you'll never forget. For example, like on your birthday, Valentine or Christmas. You will feel like, as you know, as Amajita, we don't hey, what I feel?
Okay.
We know as Amajita, we don't expect
Yabe
presents.
kuthengwa imali yakho ama president.
futhi. Yabe
Yabona
save
ukuthi-
imali yakho.
Kanti leyo date abantu
No,
abasebenziwe.
yabona ukuthi umuntu lo ngamnika $200 last month. I-present le 150 imali yami le. Lapha ngidla imali yami la.
But ungakucabanga kuyakulimaza dog. Wena
Awungacabangi
dlala
kakhulu.
uthuli.
Yikho nje yabona nani xa ufuna uphila sharp ezomjita. I-50-50 zitshela ukuthi ayikho.
Yeah, now.
Like zitshela ukuthi wena ngomele uprovide vele for. That's why si appreciate ama socks.
Hey, but
Mina
dog,
sengupoint
indaba
yokuthi lama
yama-socks
socks
boy.
ngiya appreciate kare.
Hayi, mina indaba yama-socks dog.
Because angiyagqoka dog.
But
nama socks.
Yabona ivideo lana katsho umntwana esithi uCherry wathi is the thought that counts. What it takes some time to think. Socks.
Cabanga phela.
Dog, socks chief. Nivea. Boss.
Hayi yakwenza.
Akwenzi because I genuinely believe ukuthi females like it when there's some thought put into the gift you give them.
Ya ungaphonga uthenga phela.
Ungaphonga
even into
uthenga
expensive
dog.
or something.
Uyabona? Ungaphonga uthenga. So in as much as lami ngingaphonga uthenga.
La ungaphonga uthenga.
Ungaphonga uthenga. Anti siyajola, anti siyajola.
50-50.
50-50.
Ayisebenzi. But omunye umbuzo awusithi ndaba?
Sorry, singakamuva.
That one is real.
Unjani mnganami?
I wasn't faking there. Yeah, I've been going through it. But it's fine. It's life. These things happen. Lapha I wasn't lying.
Ungathola ithuba dog. Jola mfana. Jole hard.
Mina uthanda.
Uma kuchopana kuyachopana but.
I think okothando lokho akwazi asonto zethu lokho. Komoyo.
Wese indaba yefamily.
Angazi njalo. Mibhombi zalabami bayiswi. Ngizofonela ukhazini.
Samamo legend. The right magent.
Babuza ukuthi bona bakwenza njani, but for me. But again, it's not a, like as I said on the video, it's not a dramatic.
But dog, those ones are the worst ones, bro. Akazi ukuthi ukushiya umuntu lithi hayi dog, I don't like you. Hlala ngini. Block fusek. Much easier cause ngufusek.
Yeah.
Kulaleziyana dog ukuthi you guys broke up. Nge-birthday is a happy birthday.
So wait, I just now have a follow-up question. What's your take on guys or girls who just now avoid my relationship totally because besithi bayesabi heartbreak whatnot begcine sebesiba
Heartbreak inevitable dog.
Heartbreak yakuchaya noma uyi-side chick mfana wami. Iyakuchaya noma uyi-side.
Akula mana dog. Heartbreak ayila VIP. Ayila
coach
VIP
of the new year.
Hayi
that
yakuchaya.
Noma
Heartbreak
ubani,
iyawushaya.
noma ukephi. Whoever.
Iyakuchaya heartbreak. Ungazidecide ukuthi wena
Your
ujoy.
time is coming.
Iyakuchaya noma uyi-side chick.
Yakuchaya uyi-main.
Yakuchaya noma uyi-main.
Elama side chick.
Yakuchaya uyi-side nigga. Yakuzwa ubuhlungu mfana.
Lo uba yi-side nigga.
Yakuzwa ubuhlungu uCherry wakho esechadile lo kade udlala laye lo.
Abona
Sekutholiwe
bayachata.
yakhe.
Angakutsheli futhi ubone ngamapicture ku-internet.
Yeah man.
Bona
Kumbe uzitshela
bayachata.
ukuthi brother, what is in the water these days?
Abachadile.
Mfana.
Bayachata.
ngoDecember. Abachadile.
even December alone but it's 2025 bro 2025 I think ngihamba imtshado engu6 isonto vele ngathi majite
Mina
ngikhulela
think indlala labantu
Shuthu
abarong.
lamasuda amaningi.
ndoda ngakhulela odrop yami ndoda
Mina think indlala labantu abarong.
No, but
Ngoba-
No. Udlala abantu aba-right. Mina I think umtshado into eserious akusonto yokuthi ngoba isizini yomtshado akuchadwe.
Abafebi kodwa.
Yakazi, you remind me of inye i-question engangayibuzwa ngomunye umuntu ngaphendula, but then also yangcina isinginika i-question yokuthi have you ever seen a moment ukuthi kuyakulo nkazana omaziyo umbone echata uzizuzwela umjida wangikhona even ungamazi ukuthi la umjida eish
mina but angikwazi
All the
manje
best.
mina ngaze ngihlanganele abantu abaworep to that extent ukuthi ngambona umuntu angikona echatha ngithi awumjide lo chatha lo cherry lo hayi angaze fike to that point.
No, i-point yangikhona you know kulabanye abantu
Yabona
that
ukuthi
you wouldn't
situation yami,
expect.
the situation yama-files ukuthi wena uyabukwazi ama-file you understand
Hey yeah
indawo yena la ukuthi ama-agency athebuza ukuthi nje ngibona ucheli lo
sihle sikuvulela udocket 55
yabo so maybe yabe swelo ozamvukela udocket.
But I think also in line with that, bengilo munye umbuzo. What's your take on indaba le? Ngeke ngize stories zokuthi umuntu othe siyachat athi mfunga testa one more nigga before I get married, or that one nigga who I really liked. Exactly. Closure.
I need
closure before ngisiyachat.
yazabona ubuhule selabo package ngamabizo ami
Mfana these days kulama terms for everything awukazi uze kuthiwe financial relationship. Prostitution.
i-prostitution lazo noma usithi wena ufuna i-closure wena
Yeah.
i-closure yakho ngeke ukhiphe izigqoko
Kufana lo muntu achitha yathi it was a mistake.
mistake
Khipha izigqoko.
wena
Uzokhipha nge-socks.
nje
Mistake.
ava singabantu abadala sonke la akula muntu enza into angaziyo ukuthi wenzani la
Akula. Alo muntu elamzwangi.
akula muntu nje because amfuni kulitshela izinto ezenzakalayo uma umuntu eganga but ngiyakwazi ukuthi wathi cheat njalo umuntu angikhona kuyabe kwenzakala ukuthi imoto yakhutha ama-brake yakhutha igear wayibisela wayithi
Where's the clutch?
ubusunjethi mistake wena nenana
Yazi omunye wayenza i-TikTok.
shaya iphotholo wayibisela egiyeni
Kwaku during isikhathi sikaZupco laphana ngela mchuva. Kuthiwa umuntu agade uZupco. Amelele agcwale.
amele lagcwala
Ayehla agade omunye wesi2. Aphenduke same route afika nje ukuthi it was a mistake.
It can't.
so umuntu othi ufuna i-closure before lokuze nini
Ngakabi serious ngokuchat. Awukafuni
Okay, abantu abanjalo mina I feel like they prioritize the wedding,
The wedding
more than
over the marriage, yeah?
more than the marriage. Because like people that really want to get married vele even indlela abeseziphatha ngayo before they get married yabusubona ukuthi la even engakachata bona so ready kuba ngumfazi.
jama nkazana strict message lo mchado we don't take nonsense there
to sithi happy birthday. Thanks.
ungangitexte ebusuku njengami mina ngidlale njalo ngokutexta ngabo 12 ngihlala ngikhuziwe baba
Baba.
ungangitexti ebusuku la ngilomjida man which is a problem for me because it's not like I'm sending you nudity
No, but
I'm just checking up on you.
kumele ukurespect khona lokho bro. You have to respect people in their spaces. Yakwazi ukuthi lo bengumngane wakho li tight so. Umngane wakho ngakutshela ukuthi listen bro. Mina into engifuna ukuyenza la iya require ukuthi wena ungangitext ebusuku. Kuzamela ukuhlonipha kwalokho.
Ngiyakuhlonipha in as much as ingavumelani lakwani like obviously I respect you decision.
Wengavumelani lapho.
Wena mama mina ngithola isikhathi so like nxa isikhathi sami esifree sokutexta ngo-12 ebusuku ngenzeni
Question is wena wakho umfazi ungavuma wemtexta ngo-12?
anti ifoni yakhe ifoni yakhe to
Ngo-12. Ahleke futhi. Mfazi wakhe dlala i-message game mfana ngo-12 ebusuku. Khangele la uthi ifoni yakhe.
lalelanini la halapha sesijadile laba sesihlala sonke mina la mzahleka efonini and manje hleka efonini kumele ngi-explain ukuthi ngihlekani
So la uzathi
uzechazisa ukuthi uhlekani sihleke zonke
athi umgcina ungisendela ijoke ngo-12.
akukhona hali shem mina ngitheni mina ngizaye ngathi ngiyabe ngithumela ama-jokes likela ngiza ngathi
Hayi wena uthe awuthumeli inudity.
ngithe ngiyabe mbingelele
No, bafaka at a scenario yokuthi yena unomjida wakhe then when you text something funny ngo-12.
Yeah.
angitext something funny ngo-12 for mina angeke ngikubulale ngembambo
Textani ngo-12 dog.
how are you doing
How are you doing at midnight boss?
because how are you doing
No, but bro, uzama ungitshela ukuthi akube lama moments lana ukuthi you were talking to this person during the day waba busy. Then
Angikhulume la,
usuresponda
yeah.
ngama-11 but uthi message uyibala ngo-11 ibihlekisa la uphendule ngento
Dog,
ehlekisayo.
yazi kuyabe kuyisituation enjani
No, lapha sizama ukuthola leeway, but gents
mina nje ngiyabe ngiphuma emsebenzini ngabo 11 guys.
Responda umfazi womuntu engakangena embhedeni.
Mana sibuza umfazi la. Mfazi. Do you think kumele kube le limit onilo kuzenini? Isikhathi nxa ngu-text as a friend ulo muntu wakho uhlala lo muntu wakho ngilezi khathi engavunyelwa ukuthi ngu-text ngazo
maybe singagcina ukukhuluma around 8-9 khona la.
but mina ngiyakwanisa ukuthumela yini message.
I-message uyakwanisa ukuyithumela ngizayi-reply maybe kusasekuseni.
Thank you.
Why ungayithumela ekseni? Uhlu reply ekseni.
Angila sikhathi ekseni.
Angisho that's how conversations work.
Angila sikhathi ekseni ngithola isikhathi sokuthi ngiyiphendule
Sharp.
ngo midnight.
So when you're saying you'd be very comfortable hleli le mama ifoni ithi nqini ngo-12.
Mina ukuthi vele ngithola laba ngala amafoni.
And la phone. Akumele ukuthi send your pics and la memory
card.
No, but guys, I think what into le kabili, like I think the onus is on both of you. Yena why ivulile message and ule pop up notification.
But I'm not trust
ibhalile
issues.
ukuthi vela
ukuthi
kumgcini.
nasili moshakele lapha lena.
Of course, bro.
Ama trust issues
Ukhona
ongela.
chat la.
Because lalela nini?
Yabona phela.
Umuntu wami. Kube kuzwakale. Akulo chatileyo la.
I don't think ukuthi ngama trust issues ukuthi mina ngiyalalela kakhulu izinto zama relationship online. Men by nature we are territorial.
Of course.
Yeah, understand. So I see ukuthi siyabe si insecure by nature vele uyabe ungafuni aje ungadlalele la. Yeah, understand. So khona kuyana ngiyakusithi aje zwana hlonipha la.
I-text.
Ngiyavumelana lawe kakhulu.
Yeah, i-text is your words in text form.
Hayi mina shame.
No,
Mina
because
ngithwalisa
uyakwazi
izimo
ukuthi-
umntana abantu mina.
Hayi, but wena mgcini nxa ngilomkami mina ngo-12 ebusuku umtext. It means lawe suku space sethu ngo-12 ebusuku. Uyakurealize khona.
Lina liyakhohlwa ukuthi kulama time zone lina liyadakwa lina. Nxa ngihlala eAmerica ke. No.
No, but here's the point.
Ngilinika ama izinto
No,
ezikhona.
it's a solid fair.
Ngilinika into ezikhona. So wena uma uza textwa mphose ngamqamba ngebizo. Umqabula sheshe maye text ese America versus mina engutexta ngiseZimbabwe. Umahluko nga ngoba sonke singabafana industry la. Ngoba yena use America kule mvume yokuthi akutexte ngo11.
Kalayo imvumo.
Hayi.
Kalayo imvumo but i-time zone yesimenza abe ngcono kulawe.
Yeah. Esakhe story siyazwakala.
Yeah, but it's fine. Umbuzo lana waqala lana bengifuna ukuzwa Lina, what do you guys look for my dating partner? Then we get into our show.
I think
Asenze njenge AA, let's go around it a second.
Qalisa
Mina ngidingani in a partner, bro. I think ama-gents awakho strict kakhulu asifuni into eziningi.
That's the priest sambuza umbuzo nalo wasinika iresponse echaza umuntu wakhe.
Oh.
So
He tailored it.
So ina baza kufaka under but kushaba
But mina-
uthi uqhubeka but upriest wahle wathi esengutholile engifunayo ngiqeda khonami. Uyini uyidingayo?
Welingi lakho. Dog, I'm receiving a call la.
Iqhathekile
Kakhulu.
aswi ilokhuzi. Lokho yokwazi uyanswer ngazi nje.
Manimbali.
Anyways, Mr.
Okay, mina ngidinga unkazana oyabe lama traditional woman traits. Sengabe engabi lawo wonke, but traditional woman, someone who understands ukuthi who is the man in the relationship, someone who is not afraid to cook and clean, ozanhlonipha engangesabi. Ebezanhlonipha engangesabi. Yabo? Engangesabi in such a way yokuthi uyakwanisa ukubuya azongitshela
Angindlela obuye walokhuza ngaye esofeni lapha ungathi ufuna ukwenza okungiyona. Uyibonile?
Lisinist.
Ivele yahle yathi ngedolo. Awu lenza njalo.
Muscle memory, boy.
yabo. Yabona umuntu nxa engakwesabi jeke. But ekuhlonipha Then when ungamosha futhi amcini standard sami. Hayi. Lapha nje umphambanisile. That's not how you do it. Ngicela uzicheck. Nansi sichwala.
Usidle lawe. Liqabene. Anyways, ubhutas lapha ukhanyelani xa udinga umuntu mdala.
I think it's ngingathi izinto ezinganzi general-ish, if I may put it. Khonoko osokukhulunywa amajito ukuthi umuntu okuhloniphayo is the head of the family. Umuntu oloku is sense of tradition in them, like or culturally based. Or culture based. Yeah, umuntu
Ubuntu.
You know.
Ubuntu, bro.
Well, by Ubuntu I don't mean ukuthi usuguqa and stuff. Yes, ngakho labadala. You can. No, kuyachaza fair. Kuyachaza. But it's something you can also compromise at some point. Yabo? So I think into ezinjalo, well then appearance obviously face a sharp. Face card on point. Aye. That was compromise. Body.
Shut up.
Neither this or that.
Bro, what I'm gonna say is everyone really says go out of pocket and stuff, but kahle mina ngifuna a driven woman who is in a driven industry per se, someone or a business woman type thing. Because bro, into A1 engiyesaba empilweni yaza. Yokuthi ngithi ngilama goals ngithi sifuna ukuyenza so.
Imfana.
Ngithi lama goals ngifuna ukuyenza so and engazwisisi ukuthi ngithini, or ngithi ngile stressful day spa ngithi benguma boardroom ma meeting njani angazwisisi ukuthi ukukhuluma ngani athi uxolo baba nasi sichwala nah bro, like that's okay to a certain extent, but no.
You want someone who gets you.
Someone who's gonna get me the same way. Pretty much that's basically the basics that you guys are also talking about.
Nah, mina when it's all said and done, ngilifisela ukuthi libathola abantu bakhona.
Mina ngifuna umngane, dog.
Wena ufuna umngane?
Ngifuna umngane because I promise you emnganini wakho uyakuthola konke.
Azi mina ngihlala ngisithini?
And mina sengabuza abangani bami abachadile. Dog, kunjani? And abathi kumnandi, ngiyababuza ukuthi njani. And they'll tell you ukuthi nani lo mngani wami, dog.
Mina cabanga into le, especially for amajita. Cabanga ama conversation obalawala lezi choms zakho.
Yeah.
Cabanga into ezi out of pocket ezizikhuluma singamajita kuma boys group lapha. Wena awufuni ukuthi ube lo cherothi level figure to that core.
I think it helps. I think
ikwese kufuna but umongi
ukuguqa, you know. Kuyabuya lo bungani.
Ufuna nona mongi? Yes, mongi.
Hello.
Imali lani mongi?
Hayi. So anje mzothe uthi imali lani mongi hayi.
Afuna imali.
Uyakwazi anje ufuna umane nalo. Nafuna imali. Chelete.
Mula.
I mean, I think that's why girlies are taken for poos a lot, hey?
Nindawo.
Indaba engifuna imali. Indaba engifuna imali yalikhalisa.
Kutsho ba.
Ama timeline nene. Amakazana acho nekhala ngamadoda. Amadoda abafana. Awukazijoyina into ngela mali.
Vela ukenza. Azayi ukukhangi lani. Azayi enjoyelela imali lani. But lama susendaweni yangikhona abantu imali ekhona la mana nihlala into uzayikholisa.
So wena yinto ozikhangela uma ufuna umuntu?
Mina ngifuna indoda elomkhaba yasihlalela.
Elomkhaba.
I'm joking.
Uprice sephululisa isilo.
Powered by.
No, I'm joking. Oh guys. I'm not obvious. Wonke umuntu vele relationship uyafuna umuntu ozawu respect because respect goes both ways yabo. Ngeke wena ufuna ukuthi ngu respect bona unrespect.
Yeah. I know. Yeah.
Umuntu okwanisa sebuthi hayi isikhathi. Manje sibe sonke yabona la sometimes, you know. Aso sihlala singaseyancanyana. La nokunye hayi imali vele hayi imali. Money. Ama-US
Hey
boy.
boy, the money chat is hectic. I know people like to play around it, but the money chat is hectic. Ama-gents ala mali, mangakutshela iqiniso.
wasezimbabwe
Ama-gents ala, gents.
asisebenzi
Kumbe
la.
okay.
No, ngoba
Malini,
unawalila
maybe lapha
yeah.
maybe
so
lapha
ublame thina ukuthi asilayo
project.
yini
Huh?
ublame thina ukuthi asilayo yini
Liblame kodwa eblalila mali.
Manje udinga
uma
nini?
senzeni
Ngingathisalini uba broke sibe broke sonke nini.
Agcina ukhuluma istatement sikashadala lesesithenda kathesi.
Sonke siyizikwazi.
one man anyways
Benisithi mina the money chat is ama-gents ala mali, bro.
yeah
Economy are better all round, you know, and a lot of things that we consume on our social media will lead you to believe that a lot of these things are easy to acquire. It's easy to fly to Cape Town. Small things, but it's really not, especially for machita that are in our age range. And I'm talking about like a normal gent who works like a 9 to 5, you know, who blind for ama-gents and who blind for njengokuthi blind for mina ngiyi-one. So kumele ngibook i-flight. Mase Cape Town.
anzima uma ngiyebe ifuna what
And the value abeyifuna and kuyose kumele uyenze iplan thukuzini washo.
but otherwise ladies and gentlemen boys and girls welcome to the PYO podcast ingxoxo 99 bizo lami ngumgcini J
Bani.
mina ngumgcini J mina ngumgcini J mphethi chomlami lapha usabasta
Yeah, nah man. Ish.
unabasta lo basta wasendlini
I happy. Namhlanje ngigeza ubasta check.
ubasta umgeze nami
Yeah, bro.
amen
Yeah.
phethe lo power bhayinkani laphana Bryce Classic. Shout out to Bryce, by the way. That set ku Niger Disol and Friends in old school abam. Yalaphana wagidi sogogo. Abantu babethabe njani?
Wabachaza.
Ezama 90s. O gin to gin.
Yakuchaya ifomo yokuthi achicha ifoni.
Senenhloni yasi.
Mfana wagidi omama lapha phela ma wafuna ukubona ukuthi i-type yakho yipi ma ungathi umdala. Ababegida labantu Bryce DJ lapha.
Mina nje ngachaya ifomo ngachicha ifoni dog.
Sakufonela futhi.
Yikho phela yikho ngakhatha because
It was nice. Shout out to Niger Disol and Friends. That was nice. Slow price. Silo babo lapana. Umfana uthanda i-acapella. Ama notes.
SDA core.
Ezi choir SDA core.
Amachacho.
Lo mthoko othi yena ufuna ibusiness emfazini.
Oh yeah. But umthoko nyamzwisisa.
Unomuntu odlive.
Then silo
Baby, I had a long day. What does that have to do with your long-term goals? Strict.
15 mark essay at the end of the day. Ngathi how was your day? Ngathi fine.
How was your day?
Ngathi no.
Fine.
Ngathi fine.
No.
But lokena kuyaqaphola. Yikho bona konti sisicha futhi. Mawusubuza ukuthi how was your day? Fine. Good, and yours?
I'm funny one day reply. You one word reply.
It's a tricky one though.
Ekamthoko kabe
It's tricky,
kuthiwa
bro.
how was your day Sithando sami? Ngifake spreadsheet ku-email.
Ambuthumele lapana just check your
Hey,
email.
mfake ngile report.
Sasambi soto lapha siphethe lo mongi in the cut. If you don't have money, don't DM me please.
Forget about it, bro.
Forget about it.
Just leave it alone.
Again,
Happy.
happy.
Sizafaka phone number this time.
Eh.
Namhlanje ngiqinisile.
Nasayifaki now.
Phone number. Ole mali.
Anyways, happy new year. Ngiyakwazi umnyaka mawuqala guys. Actually belingaphi New Year's Eve. I-countdown liyenzile nga. What were you doing there by the countdown?
Mina ngizigidli ngimchana abengilele.
Ubulele wena.
Honest to God, ngivuswe i-alarm lama firecracker.
Oh.
Yeah man. Ngavuka akhuleka.
Yakhulekile?
Oh yeah. Man of God, yo.
Amen.
Khuleka. Ngagidla vie. Yabo? But yeah no bengilele. Bengilele. Wena ubunga?
Bese mfuna iqamba amanga. No, I mean Jay bengilabangani bami. Like sashaya kuyi wholesome a moment there say countdown. recorded a video doing a countdown. We played FIFA up until one of them decided to like, let's go to the club. That's where ibisiza yavele yathi sharp curve. Yavele sharp curve badakwa abanye nam. Awutshwala bangani mamtshiyana.
Awujaja abantu abanathayo.
Angibajali. Into engicaphulayo kuyini? Liyepi linjalo mina emese ngingunesi wena.
At your cost. Hey,
sengihamba mina le nkomo zingcono.
Amvunqanda bro.
Uthathe yabamba okunye ngapha ukuthi kungabaleki. Okunye sokugijimile sokuyile.
Sokusiyabulwa.
Ngahle ngathi lina. Phinde limbone futhi. But otherwise it was nice. I was just indoors, yeah. On a price ubusenzani countdown.
Ngibukela ama-movie ayi-2. S2 ithe iphela bese kusele 15 minutes. Saphuma phandle, sakuma emgwaqweni, sa-enjoy ama-fireworks.
I think it's wholesome, hey?
Akumnandi.
Ama-fireworks.
Look at me ukuzu okhisileyo. Akathi alikhisi.
Akuqabuza ngiqabuzile, ngiqeda ngakhuleka.
Amen.
You are speaking adult things.
Ngiqabula sheshe. Vele ngomqabula sheshe mdala lina belisenzani countdown.
Mina bengoma burnouts eZKS Arena.
Bishama notes.
Abezikhala bro.
Mina to be honest. Angazi bafethu. Into lani yokuskida kwezimoto into engazange ayizwisisa ukuthi abantini abayithandayo.
Actually, lami ngikhona bro.
The adrenaline.
Imoto eskidayo.
Yeah.
Umsindo lwana nje indlebe sezibuhlungu.
Uze kuthiwa siya kuma burnouts imoto eskidayo.
Yeah, bro. Yakwazi ukuthi kulama adrenaline junkie. Dude. Khona khona ukuthi imoto ethi hu. Oh, ngosiyami.
Ake ngiyethuza kono kyana.
Ilihle libe honi vele.
And yakwazi.
How? Akapela.
Imoto edumayo.
Bro.
Imoto idumile ngaphonya.
Imoto idumile.
Yeah, but lapho
ngaphonya.
there were my fireworks futhi. So during the fireworks kade bespina and all that. It was amazing. Lama fireworks kade se-town beswabona from khona so. It was nice. It was nice.
What were you doing? Countdown.
I was sleeping, bro. For the first time in 3 years, I was indoors. I was like, I want to try it out. I went to Bachana City, New Year's, I was pull me, baby saying,
Ube dinu, ube drafty ye end report.
Actually, funny enough, in Spanish, there's also.
We cross-check our formulas.
For the first time,
I will end reports.
The first time I was indoors. Papa menga ma 2 senses ama firecracker okugcina ngathi oh so ngo-2026 athi kuhle ngabuyela ngalala
Yona ke monge.
Pendele endlini yazibe I wasn't okay. So I was sleeping.
You were not okay.
Yadlala bekuba burnouts mina.
So my burnouts bezikhala
spin.
Yeah, a lot of people actually buy it.
I was spinning. Then after I count down yenzele a smoke house. Nabanye nje sibaziye bona la betown uButas bethu besikhona
Shout out to Butas.
Shout out Butas.
So manje awazi umnyaka mawuqala silama new resolutions. Actually before ama new resolutions yiwaphi ama behaviors elibona ngani mela sale ku 2025 singaqhubekela to 2026.
Mcini chiya ukutext abantu ngo12 abalabantu ba.
Oh yeah man. Hlonipha i-relationships.
It's fine. I'll do better, chance. I'll do it. Actually, answer text. If you want to jula, I'm phone text.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I linga text abantu after 12.
Katikulo muntu enja. Just asking. But it's fine.
Linga text abantu after 12.
What else? What else? You pick up amanya behaviors. This is what you are 2025. This is a movie now. I'm a viewer and so good.
I'm a close friends. I'm a vase because like, why you fucking vase go close friends? Fish Jesus.
Evangeli like a little only lens.
Celani abantu lisebenzise kuhle uviewers lo
Yeah,
friends
bro.
guy. Yazi ngokuthiwa close friends and sicela ukufila la ukuthi
really like sifuna ufeel
Cela
intimacy.
into yakhona ibe worth i-viewans.
Dog, close friends
Amasi.
ukudla bro.
So
Like,
lentshothi umbone ngiqhakathekile ukuthi ungitshengise ukudla.
no, maybe let's quit. You know, like dog, when you owe people money, you can't have fun.
But amasi
For close friends. Siyadeleleka.
lama charts like
Pork.
umuntu akuthumela ipicture yakhe egqokile
Ephelele.
ephelele viewers. Ngiyisa ngapi?
I don't know, man. I feel like if you want to magwala, dog.
Ngiyisa ngapi mina ipicture? Ngama trust issues.
If you want to magwala, mchana, say with your chest.
Liana viewers liana. Viewers close friends. 2026.
Be real, bro. Like,
Let's be serious.
faga into like, yenza something crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Pay me cocaine. Spawn ukuthi
Engathi
okay.
sikhulume sichazele.
Angithi vele
Angisho
bayibhema.
vele.
Bayibhema vele
Understand.
already.
Oba.
So,
Abangani benu.
Nomngane bethu oba.
Abayibhema abangani benu.
Oba.
kungasenani. Yeah, dog, i-close friends lama viewers into okumele uyibone ka-1.
Uthomele ngikhumbule manje.
Udlule. Yabo? But ayikhona ukufaka ku-close friends ukudla, ivesi.
Njengevesi kulo
driver.
close friends hayi.
That's weird, bro. That's very weird. But anyway.
Wapha amanye ama behaviors. Ubufebe.
Ah,
Indaba
ubufebe
yethu
buza
ubufebe
banzima
umuntu
ukuthi
asmayila. Why don't you smile?
Ngani?
Ngoba kunzima ukuthi ufebe busale
Lonke
akazi.
nisikana mina phela ngiyabona ngapha la
Ubusithi kunzima ukuthi busale?
Yeah.
Why?
Because sobulama terms amaningi are different. But ufebe Joe, like.
Yeah,
No, we just situationship.
Yeah,
fair.
kwabe safuthwa njalo.
No, we're just friends. Nake nabona ninqondo. Yeah, but it was just near fair.
Bufebe.
Ke
Or
fair.
closure.
No, I needed closure. Yeah, ke fair.
Bufebe.
No, it's a transactional relationship.
Ha.
Coins,
Prostitution.
yes, prostitution.
I-difference
Ufebe.
ukuthi wena
Awukafunga uvuma.
uthengisa endlini.
Mthetha awumi lapha
Ulomsika.
nalabanye.
Awumi labanye. But
Oh,
kuzabanzima
no,
ukuthi usale
that's
because so futhi abantu sebe ku-justify. Phela immorality silulu ku-justify these days.
These days ngazi amanyala ayenzakalayo bafethu.
But umuntu yakutshela ukuthi ngile trauma.
Trauma
Uyabona,
ufeva.
ngiyahila. Yeah, bro. People come up with these excuses. Yeah, we need to go to therapy. Umuntu akuchithela akutshela ukuthi asambe ku-therapy. Ngoba mina ngile trauma yakho ngakuchithela.
Wow.
Bese kuthiwa busali. Abusali.
Iphenye i-behavior esalayo. Asekho seso exhaustile wonke. Okay.
Asingabomba ucela abalaleli bethu ukuthi labo bachiya.
Yeah, actually, if you're tuning in, YouTube there, just go to the comment section and tell us what you think. Behavior melisale ku 2025. Esingamuvi kiyo. And don't forget to like this video as well, subscribe and share on your WhatsApp.
Don't forget last time.
Don't forget to. Among your resolutions.
Oh no. Hey.
Nanzabona uhamba komnyaka.
I think in New Year's resolution,
Awamanje cha.
New Year's resolution, I think siyenzela so that you have something to look forward to. Ukuthi ube optimistic about the year. But if you're gonna do something, enza. Linda umnyaka ukuthi uzobe mutsha.
Ukuthi uyenze njenge gym bonile abantu besithi baqala mhla ka1.
Lapho bro. Awuyi because umhla ka1 uzafika. Uthi angiyahamba mhla ka3.
Baroba thiyaza abanye abantu empilweni kuwe ukhona osesha indlwabi kaThesi. First week you already
Omunye body count is ukuthi.
nge first week.
Yeah.
Maybe vese counter down. Siyaba.
We count down. But liyakwazi selingabe lingaqamba imanga.
Yeah.
It's possible.
I mean,
Sa counter down to 5 4 lathi sithi 5 4.
Alapha sebesenzela ubusido ha. Besenzela
yabona
ubusido. Oh, si sharp.
Oh, okay. Bese nsithi kufana la sebhawu ngabona ebhawu sebe light ama light. Time to wrap it up, chief.
Yobe sokuphelile.
Sokuchaya.
Yasochayizwa.
Alright, tuna.
Mase sokumopha sokulight ama light.
But as a podcaster sile nama new resolutions. Like ukuthi singanyamalelwa isound. Mas recorder.
sifuna uba better. Yabona, we need more people to engage. So la khona kuyani ukuthi sizabafakela something on screen. Guys, sizalifakela something on screen. Le number kaMongi this year ayiphele singaliphanga inamba kaMongi.
Uyibonile paragraph lena basibhalele ku YouTube?
Yeah.
Uthani ngiyibona. Uthani?
Abasidabule ngenye i-constructive criticism. Those senza amasimba lapha ku podcast.
Senza amakaka.
Those senza amasimba and we need to improve. Of which we are aware that we're doing amasimba. Hathi ngani ngawethu.
Yeah, into kuthiwa accountability 101.
Ngawethu but
ngiyadlala
to be honest, 2025 has been difficult for us. Like as a podcast, as a show, we lost so many people. Not ukuthi bafile. Hayi. Abantu isikolo guys. Phela siyenza podcast kuphela.
Life after.
There is life outside the podcast and it happens ukuthi umuntu umsebenzi yabo abanye basemsebenzini abanye basezikolo and ngabantu adeli bathanda ku podcast unfortunately abantu adeli bathanda abantu adeli connecta labo but I think futhi kuqhathekile ukuthi support esidinga from our viewers right now is ingabe i-podcast yokuthi ngiyibukela just because umgcini is there, ngiyibukela ngoba price is there, ngiyibukela noma usabasta is there, ngiyibukela noma umongi is there, yabo? But kube i-podcast yokuthi yabo
podcast
but just there
regardless.
Plus yabona futhi izinto ezinjenge-chemist to talk like sizama ukuthi at least put something there, yabo, for the people to at least watch something. Lingathakula podcast at the end of the day.
And also, I think 2025 was just a transitional year. Like you're saying, there's just a lot going on, and we had to adjust as the podcast. And in line with that happening, we were still also trying to give you guys the best show we possibly could, and we were trying different things given the circumstances.
Yeah.
And siyabonga ukuthi belilokhe libukela. And siyabonga ukuthi you noticed some things and you told us, and we're going to work on those things. But most importantly, siyabonga ukuthi you continue to watch us even when we're going through these transitional periods. At the end of the day, we're just trying to give you guys the best show that you guys fell in love with in the first place. So siyabonga. And I think the biggest resolution that I would say as the podcast we're trying to put forward is we want to continue giving you the best kind of content that you could possibly imagine, that brought you to this show, that made you subscribe and tell your friends and tell your coworkers.
Consistency. Sibadingela amabhedi. Mongi sifuna amabhedi la every Monday.
Azabe edlula ku camera pombi fa.
Uthi record wena lapana kube kudlulile kuze nini kuphela lapha.
Ufuna ubona izirupe.
Ini?
Sirupe.
But yeah, as far as our resolutions of the podcast are concerned, I want to give you guys, I want to make sure ukuthi like aifi.
No, I think as long as Lisa engage labantu ababukelayo, like taking into account, at least people are engaged enough to say ukuthi emergency.
Yeah, plus I feel like it's high time. If you feel like you are watching this podcast and you feel like there is something that you can add, you wanna come and host the show. Like you feel like you can come and be the co-host. You feel like you can come and help us with our social media content creation, close friends, viewers. You can always like we're not closed. Like because we become overwhelmed sometimes. Into A1.
Impilo still has to go on.
Ngapha uyabuyaliwe futhi. Mele ubuyihleke laba. Yazi kunzima njani ukwenza i-podcast.
When you're going through it, pen.
Uyabufokofa dog and
lapho mele uhlele ekamereni usmile.
Mele uyismile ndoda.
Kumbe maybe uhlale phambi kwecamera ube honest uthi hey guys.
Isimoko la kungaba honest ungathi weak futhi.
Uventa phambi kwecamera.
Indoda vela uvunyezwe.
Ngoba ungaventa indoda yaba yimimi.
Yes, bayakuhleka.
Sukhala la?
Yeah, bayakuhleka dog.
Because mina last logo is in bro. Later off. What happened? But it's fine, we can continue. Leave such check. Mina last year bro, angazi ukuthi ngikhale ku podcasting ngiyehlule kanjani because ngangigqoa like since it last year actually.
This year.
Last year nje vele.
Azolo.
Yabo. Like izinto zazingahambi sharp even fame umasala wami ngezwa sharp. Yabo but we come here bro. I remember interview who's that guy? The politician one. Ostalos. Before nzenze interview la ngadlula esibhedlela mbona umasala wami.
By the way, that episode was fire.
Admitiwe esibhedlela but I came here. Yabo, these are the things this is yenzayo that people might not see. Umongi ku podcast ubuya nginyawo eqhuma from a town.
Lapho siyabona iora kamongi.
Hayi.
Yabona lento yenzayo
Hayi, ama-pointers hayi.
right lento yenzayo.
Namhla umfakele message wathi amfuni kufika masinyana. Ngoba ngiyalazi na ngiyafika mbi 1. Ngicela ungitshele mase lizafika ngiqalisa ukuwalk. Ngiyamanga.
Mina 10 million ora.
Ngisuke Brentford la across the road. Hayi.
Anyazidalela. But otherwise yeah. Shout out to the people that are watching us, guys.
I'm a resolution.
Yeah.
I think resolutions are good. They really do give you something to look forward to.
Yep.
You know? But look, with positive outlook, you know, fresh year.
Yeah.
But don't you think it's weird that it takes a calendar for you to decide the trajectory of your life?
Gosh. Mfana lapho khuluma isilungu. Sa digest
Trajectory.
Ukhuluma isilungu aqeda ukhuluma fast.
Khuluma
No,
isilungu.
serious. Awuphinde kufani wena ukuthi impilo yakhe detectwa calendar. Like if you are supposed to go to the gym, vibe, dog.
But I feel like look, like it's all in the mind, bro.
Now you must cut people. You're telling me this person was treating you bad this entire time.
So
It just
novumelele
takes a
ukuthi
calendar
umnyaka
to say, you
uphele.
know what, I'm not gonna take this anymore. It doesn't make sense. I think it's very weird.
Mina ukukhatha offer ngimelele iminyaka shem.
You can go show.
I understand.
Shame.
I understand where he's coming from, but to answer him, I think in New Year is like a spark, a push that makes you do something that you've really wanted to do. Yeah, but so like comparing out to a Happy New Year, I'm a 5 weeks a child. Like it's more like a reset. Then you'll be like, okay, this is my reset. I'm starting now.
Right.
So it's not necessarily next week. Ungathi next week it's not the same as the beginning of the
beginning
year.
of the year.
Yeah.
That's fair. That's fair.
But lisakhumbula ngathi ma useZimbabwe like ma Zimbabwean or you identify as a Zimbabwean. Mele uhlale uyangekile. Lisakhumbula?
Mina uhlala unjani?
Mele uhlale uyangekile.
Expector.
Ama-Warriors awufa.
I was just about to say, now I understand why one visit Zimbabwe / befake
No,
country
but
eceleni lapha nakubhaya.
ama-Warriors adlale kubi kumbadliwe.
Adlale kubi.
Adlale kubi adliwa.
Adlale kubi madoda team yeZimbabwe.
Unakamba vele uqalise nini kwangikhipha wena.
No, lokuyana kuyatholakala. Kuya ngokuthi isandla sakho saqhawula ba.
Khumbula le into umafota akayikhuluma.
Ukuthi isandla sakho saqhawula bani. But ngimbona omunye esithi next time ku AFCON siyasenda ruling party. We're getting results there. We're getting the results there. Bro.
What do you think is going wrong? Because do these guys not train?
I think nothing really went wrong. We were just outplayed. So there's a certain point in time yokuthi we showed our opportunities yokuthi we might win the game. Sabale hope as people because I group yet I think yebi group of death.
Yeah, group yethu basifakela amakhandra nzima guys.
Exactly.
Why
So-
lingasifakeli labo Gabon or something?
Yes. Like you look at the games.
When you're trying to justify an L, I would dog no.
No, we're not justifying an L. We're just speaking
Sifakele
reality.
Somalia lathi sizitholela bethu.
I will find in Nigeria.
Umfakele Nigeria.
Nigeria.
Come on.
Imagine when a Jagan we third tier boxer. Bekufakele Mike Tyson ringing and so I said Jake very when first round or last. But I knock out in 11th round.
Yeah.
It's different. You see?
Also,
But that means you also played well.
Exactly.
also
That's why I was asking, ukuthi badlale kuphi kumbe badliwe?
badliwe. I think it's more of, national team is hard, and not just Zimbabwe, but national team is hard because these guys don't play together for the whole year. They meet for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, but especially a game. So the reason why some countries will shine is because you find most of them badlala bonke kwamanye ama-league, abanye already ngama-superstar vele yakwanisa ukuwina. Omunye vele yakwanisa ukuwina igame A1, he's already doing it in his club team and he can do it in the national team. But thina ngapha we don't have those kind of players, yabo.
But like we had really good players. Kwakubekulo Thomas, number 8 la. Thomas Fabich.
Even uDube lwana bethu beso.
Yeah, Prince Dube as well. Lalwana ohlohlile lwana. Orich abantu lwa.
So mina yikho benisithi I don't think ukuthi badlale kuphi. Yeah, badliwe, they were outclassed, but I don't think it was.
So what's the way forward? With our national team.
Dog.
That's the ruling party.
Sambi se bona ezi delegation. But singambi yona libona sehle swine vele isingakadlali. Iskobot siyadishikala ke kuyi 2-1.
I think we should adopt his stance as South Africa. 90% of our team should be local players. It's easier to mobilize local players than international players. And I see ukuthi ngamunye udlala internationally ungcono kulomuntu odlala locally. They are just exposed to a better league. Umuntu odlala locally la uyalazi ibhora. The same
Into engichaza ngama national teams wala. Skala kahle. Sabe supporta sonke. Like ibibuye ibisiza. Yavele yathathi. Kuna sokutribal. Hey thina vele siyibulawayo.
Yeah, that's the other thing I wanted to
thina
say.
Siyibulawayo asikho ku national team. Umjithelano wachebisa ngwakolunga lwa. I was watching. Unakamba so Harare. Unakambia kabuye smokehouse. Ati alithengile amabhiya.
Umavi.
But yabona soku tribal yaresi sokuthiwa hey thina siyibulawayo vele we don't care. Kubuhlungu guys.
Ironically, it's a sport that's supposed to bring people together.
Sport vele mele springe abantu together dog. But as a country libona ngani yini eza
ukuletha abantu together.
Yini eza siletha together.
That's a big chat.
Hose.
That's a very big chat. And I think, you know what? I think the people that are in the entertainment space are doing as much of that as possible.
Yeah, abasizama bona.
Abasizama.
Ama events la disenzakala la.
Dude, the numbers you awungeke ukuthi uhlanganisa abantu aba more than 1,000 uthi uhlanganisa ngabantu.
Ndoda.
You know.
Yodwa isile la.
Hey, Thembelini.
Thembelini.
Thembelini. Okubora.
But onye sebesifuna phela on an international level, bro.
That one. Yikho City, it's a much bigger chat, and I think every country has that.
For Monty Tina Stume ngani? Stume ngezinto ezi wrong. Khangela kare sokwenzakala eSouth Africa. ePitoli. Inews ziphuma vele ukuthi kulomuntu otshontsha amafoni ohluthi inkosi yami. Ohluqalisa ukukhuleka ukuthi
guilt, not us.
Please, Father God.
My brother.
Like makungabi yithi la kanye nango. Thomba bizo like
and as look have a humiliation ritual.
Let me see the name.
Look have a so xolisa phambi kwama camera dog. So sithi bake bangikhuza.
Unobeti Zampa. Thwa nguzampa mbela. Isibongo sangabisona le.
I think you say idea good. But
ukuthi ngokuDube.
Samachu.
Hayi ngokomoyo.
Asilamasela thina ngomoya.
Wathi wakomoyo.
No, but
wena wayesithi ngokuDube.
Nokangathi wakoDube. Maybe wangale ke.
Look have a humiliation ritual.
Isindebela disikhuluma isizwe disikhuluma lesiya.
Ngaso
Wafunde fusi la. Umzwile sithi wafunda esebembambile lapha. Jeke impama yazi impama ebuhlungu nje. Yazi xa uchaye ngempama man usukhuluma
ngani uvuvu kumlomo.
Yabe ukhanya uthi lapha bakuchayile.
Uthomlo uchayiwe. Lobo ungadindwanga ngani. Chumla bekhanya ukuthi no baqale badila la.
Esekhuluma ukuthi
Bake ba mina the worst.
bafunda eZimbabwe ngaqedisa egoli.
Esona nofunda ubusele.
Waqedisela ukufunda ubusele egoli.
Ubusele Pitori.
So just to give those that are not on social media like that in context, there is a guy who has been snatching our phones for quite some time. He basically operated like he was Pretoria. Was snatch, uba snatch.
I'm snatch.
Then I think it happened to which he got to snatcher. The camera very like waphuma vele bobothi kuputas.
Yam snatch camera.
Yam snatch camera. Yam snatch JMPD. Tactical team yamlanda endlini. Mampam. Phela amapolice angana useless until bedinga wena.
Yeah. And aza ukuthola.
Hayi lokayenzi yabona
ukuthola dog.
Mina ngiyalitshela even leze therapy.
Yeah,
ngisathi ngiyekuyena le.
Mase ngiyokwazi ukuthi ya.
Ngazi sinye story. Umjidalwana wayekhuluma like ku TikTok ngizasummarize vele. Umjidalwana kwatshontshwa amafoni wayethengisa amafoni wathatha ifoni eyitshontshiwe London. So homicide. Leziyana ezingaqoki ama uniform laba. Sithi let's say mina ngazi uBryce ukuthi uspana khona ngale yabo. Uthi bathi behanjiswa like headquarters laba. Efika lapha nebona uBryce. Wafika uthi awufa Bryce. uBryce kuthiwa wathisha ngesicini esinjani. Tshontsha amafoni wena. Akusebenzi lokho yana connection mdala lapha izetherapy mawusuphakathi suphakathi. Bayakutrapa. Mina I think ikonsisa ucommit crime.
Enye bayihambisa ku building yena la netopile yena la bayitshela bathi zwana Jake
Mina ngisabi
lapha siza kubuza ungasitshela manga siza kuchaya ungasitshela iqiniso vele siza kuchaya
so wena khetha ukuthi ufunani
ufuna ukuchayelwa amanga kumbe iqiniso
ngoba ungasitshela manga sakuchayela amanga bese sikuchayela iqiniso
but ungasitshela iqiniso
sakuchayela iqiniso
awuthi istories amali is believe ngeke asixoxe esinye la sithwa intombane kwakule masalo wayedila la majida ayewona vele ngoba wayehawuhanjiswa kumasalo wangikhona
baphi labano ngicombole kumntana wakho
wayefika ahlala ibheya so kuthiwa wayefika phambi kwakho ngiyahlala ibheya so akutshela athi ubonani la andi la uzahlonipha mbona itafula le
ayibo
ngithi murikona chi panapa anti language murikona chi panapa pent utingani esketing somfazi
but that's borderline torture mos because you don't win, you can't win.
Why do you commit the crimes?
Mina crime bengayicommit ngathiwa kula consequence yakazi ukuthi I think it's the reason why abantu bengasoma criminal. Look, sonke siyafuna ungena ebhenki lapha na sithathe ezifuna siphume asiyesabi khona lokho
wese
consequence
wese mawukhonza mfana uNkulunkulu yenza ngayo example
ngawo
into abantu abayenzayo nje kahle nje ubhema nje uvuka uhlanya mina ngibaza abazibhema 20 years
all right
wena
ama functional
imuli yakho vele komoyo baye bengazivuma uzichaya wena kawani ngutsheni yabo so guys I feel like representation here too I don't know
EPR yethu is bad right now
not good
dog ulungisa iPR yethu yike ngikutsho ukuthi it'll kunzima ukuyijustify iPR yabo because right now worldwide I'll give you an example. If in South Africa inelithatha imsebenzi inelithatha ubona lama building akade raidwa ekade cela ama foreigners in Joburg CBD.
But guys,
the bulk of those were Zimbabweans. So you can see EPR yethu is really bad right now.
But guys, don't you think with the EPR yethu with ibe njalo or why people end up doing those things abroad is just because of the way things are here? Like
no, we're well aware of the why.
Like we're really good. Was such survivalists like Zimbabwe. Khulu survivor. So ngasungale sufuna ukusurvive.
Mzulu to 10.
So sit.
We are well away.
We are well away.
Siyayazi reason. But there's nothing you can do.
Polisha dog. Isicathulo siyabukwazi sidabukile.
siqeda ukukhuluma ngezitherapy la singakhuluma ukuthi iproblem inga
mina dog ngathanda ukubona umhla ka5
ampa mesingawachaywa aha nezimbabwe ngesawa chem
EPR yethu J kunzima dog. You consider it's a much bigger chat because lakho kufanele ukuvuma icala ukulungisa iPR yokuvuma icala ukuthi guys siyabheda ekho kukunje
but lena libona ngani ukuzalela lapha into endleleni
for ngokuthi ngini le malini.
No, being born in Zimbabwe is starting life on -5, bro. That's
Nah,
just
but
how
if you're
it
coming
is.
from a well-off family, dog, you're doing well.
Even so, bro. Even so.
You're halfway
That
there.
Zimbabwean passport doesn't take you anywhere, my guy.
Omnye uchomi ngathi ngizithi eZimbabwe kunzima wathi ngini.
wathi ngini kunzima
Wathi ngikhaya kunzima.
yafana nalento akaloku zenini kaAugust andizathi August inyanga edust
Abantu ama-pave.
Kangokuthi uhlala nga.
but sithe sesikhulile sakunanzelela ukuthi kathi but no man yacava unye mninga ukunanzelelayo ukuthi haya thina actually asihleni sixoxeni ngezinto sazinanzelayo ukuthi zinomali lapha kuleli lizwe but kwamanye amazwe azikonomali mina bro ngazi ukuthi izulu mali sina amagetsi ahamba
iTV liyacisha
ngahamba
imira liyavala ngengubo
Lamamira liyavala.
ngihamba kwelinye ilizwe dog libe liyakhwaze izulu le phone inchajile ukuthi la izulu ngendlela
elibuyayo
ukuflow 20 ugqoka ishort ume windini
akuyenzi izulu
lapha
Man ezole kwa uthi amadisa sigqoka red.
balokena liqiniso
Yeah.
wenye sokungama superstition
abadala
but abadala babesiqila because why wouldn't you wear red?
Tonga bambi ingqama.
Well, one thing I realized about living in this country, if you know how to survive and you know how to hustle, ngendlela blind sibilapho ukuthi
Evuma for a
like
situation.
yes, once you go abroad and find ukuthi like kulezinye izinto ezikuthwalisa nzima ukuthi uzuzithola ukuthi okay you need to work for at least a month uhlanganisa ama connection la wathola ngale you just walk in uyithole yabo like I realized kulesikhathi ngize ngihambe essay nga realize ukuthi phela in 2 weeks I've managed to raise a certain amount of money that would have took me 2 months yabo because like most of the things are easily accessible compared to nga especially simple things like cash flow there's better cash flow yep
I think Zimbabweans sifana le virus asiya-adapta dog
na lapha yabona konti
adapt.
iZimbabwe ize ngihambe eSouth Africa dog i-podcast la leyazi process yoku we know the process of recording and uploading an episode ukuthi how long it takes like it's a 3-day event festival spring fiesta slow day 1 we wama piano day 2 we gqom day 3 we afro house
hip hop dog
ngamba essay dog sa record episode lo K Breeze sa edit siqeda say upload in like 2 hours asesiqede yonke into
Zimbabwe dog you scrap for the bare minimum data
lama ATM yakwazi akulabantu abangakaze basebenzisa ama ATM sayisakhuluma
lapha pen yeah okunye abantu engekho normal nje ukuthi ufike ku-ATM
hayi angikayelanga mina ngochesane lami umongise feel guilty
kula uyazi ukuthi akulanto engekho normal nje ukuthi uhambe ku-ATM utshele ukuthi ayila mali
like kwamanye amazwe people can use the ATM without even a bank account so
that's my chat but
exactly
when I hear dog you can go to the ATM and they tell you boss
kwathiwa ayila mali ngayile mali wena awula mali
yikho bensithi ngini
Also, enye into which is synonymous in Zimbabwe, which you don't see in other countries, networking at drop out, uyafaka ifoni ku flight mode.
uphendwe
Because that doesn't happen. There's
ayi
always
indawo
network.
inetwork
bro
yikho kade ngikutsho ukuthi bro you scrap for the payment i-data dog data is insane like we act like indawo i-data ichiphile data kuyafiwa ubona into eyenziwa i-smart biz ndoda smart biz sesithembile bro
Bro, airtime we are taking a juice card, bro. Leave Zimbabwe, you will not find a single juice card, bro.
Never.
You will never
Dog,
see a
I
juice
mean,
card.
one
there's certain
bro.
service provider
Zero.
ajuice $1 u-2098 enye service provider khona
azothexwa yonke into lapha madoda libona ukuthi sebefuna ukuthexa le lama online what transaction
If you purchase anything online,
Starlink.
Yeah.
Vele talking of online nje. Ungahambe ese ungangena emall uconnectile ku Wi-Fi bro. Lapho ngaye imbali mall bro. Ha. Uyakwenzani?
Asilama mall lapha guys.
Enye into efani futhi engayinanzelelanga.
But like Leila glass, but
Clarified umsika.
Upgraded umsika.
Sihlangane embali mall.
Enye into efani nje. This is it's so petty but ngangena ku KFC. Like I think it was around 10. Yeah, ntambama. Ngina ku KFC labana ngithole kuloma sister ethili nani. Oyi-1 like kulo muntu oyi-1. So ngifike ngime ngemva kwakhe. Bro ngime nje babedinga change. Ngime. Ukade usefika ngikhweba uthi bro why are you standing here? Mina I want to buy something. Wathi chibilika ukhangele eceleni kwakho. Kwakulama ama-chill I think ayi-4 ama-self service items. Azingamkhangela so nje kani. Ngaphonga uyangeka ngeke.
Wawusujayela ukuthi
You phela and then Director lapana ufika wangithunela bro.
No, but there's nice about just yabona South Africa like.
Exactly from like next
customer please.
Taylor
for.
No, but guys, you know what? I think I kind of live in Zimbabwe. But these days they are trying, bro.
Huh?
They are trying.
Nah, yeah, no.
Like I know it's bare minimum.
Mina always look down, Shem.
No, bro.
very disappointed.
And I understand where Umgcini is coming from because when Sky City were trying ngezinto ezafika kwamanye ama countries in the early 2000s.
Oh yeah.
I'm just saying in 2026 let's be glass half full type of people. See even ngama bare minimum.
Driven boss. Goal driven.
Huh? Khona lokho akuchoyo bro
like bare minimum
siyafika uchayi self service.
Ngithabela ukuthi kulamanzi.
I know but you know
mina ngivumelana lawe.
Amanzi asahambi.
Yeah, amanzi asahambi. Asibeni happy. The
markets akhona, let's be happy guys.
Yeah, but lilizwe siphila yini?
Yabona lapha siku GBV. Yabona relationship empama.
But luthando.
Uthando ngiyakushaya ngiyakuthanda.
Ngiyakushaya ngoba ngiyakuthanda.
There is nothing you can do ngobrother.
But one thing ofuze ibuye lapha eqhakathekileyo intelana ukuthi yakwanisa ukubhadala uthepa ngefoni lokho.
Oh,
but uzathepa ngani?
Uthepa ngani ungela mali?
Mele ube nomsebenzi qala ukuthi uthepe to.
What are you tapping?
Because some of you, Lilama phone are blind and you have never used them to the maximum because you don't have the facilities to use those phones to the maximum.
Option enjalo. Yeah, did you introduce lapha?
We'll find a way to scam.
Minister of Finance
siyakuthexa.
That's right.
Actually, speaking of using things to the maximum, I remember this time ngangizama ukusubscribe to Apple Music. Ngangibona kule student discount. Ngathi enter my university details yet your university is not recognized.
Ah damn.
Ngakothi lawo yabuzamani lupani. Awuzamani. Yazi kule LSU eAmerica yazi. Ungacheck kule LSU. Ngathawa mfana mbona kuthiwa LSU.
Akusona state.
Akusona
LSU.
Ngiyakwazi ukuthi asolupane because ngalokuzi. Mana ngithayile LSU.
Le MSU icon.
But I'll see you le.
I see.
So le ayibhadala Spotify ethu. Okay, it's fine.
Lapha li algorithm la. Lintshengisa ilupane State University.
But akukwethusi wena khona lokho ukuthi uyakhuluma something and then it just pops up on your phone.
LSU USA.
LSU USA. What's in there? Oh, Louisiana University. State University, yeah.
Aye. Thina sithemba ilupane.
That's
the best you have, boss. Yike silapho.
Afunde lupane lathi si.
Yike silapho.
When I think there's a university one, eBulawayo.
Obu.
Nasty.
Ebulawayo.
Ebulawayo.
Yeah.
Mina zangu believe khona guys because akula company ezawaya because I think so kwadlula kanti uthi wena wafunde nasty wena.
Actually, you're very right because even in my field now, you used to get you'd be at the top of the food chain like mm nasty, or even thola my exemptions ngasuyenza your board exams. Now you don't.
Karesi mdala.
Fana nje.
Sesifuna umuntu
Sesifuna
olephezulu.
zasebenza.
Nomuntu esibona ukuthi no man, umuntu lo blind lo.
Akhumbula ku
Uyazi
Suits season 1 episode 1 bemtshela ukuthi we only take from Harvard University kuphela.
Yeah.
Yeah, but look, I think okunye kuyabe kusiya ngebrand yecompany.
Ngapha kuthiwa we only take from the Moyo family.
Lama connection.
Yazi ukuthi that is so real.
We're laughing, but it's
no,
real.
we're laughing, but this thing is real, Chad.
Yeah, especially city council.
But guys,
that is real, dog.
Vona tell the story before Sam.
Over the connection, is it a bad thing or is it a good thing?
Oh no, it's
Like-
a very good thing.
No, not in terms of corruption or whatever, but like in an okay world.
In an okay world, you don't need the connection, boss. It's an okay world.
You know what? Connection is a necessity in life, whatever country. But when connection is your only survival, then we start to ask questions.
Ngisacabanga ukuthi ngisixoxeni istory lesa.
Khuluma bhuti.
Hayi besiphush isikhathi simelele wena.
Besimele wena ukuthi
Siphathe ama mic siselele wena.
Nginika ikhodi. Unje uthi ngisixoxe ngambe ngisixoxe. Ngasiphi? Kamchiwaye. Zafaka ama edits.
Sixoxe. Kuyafana.
Ngobonye ubusuku sizithombe. Sizithombe vele ezincane yabo. Like sibancane dog, like say experiment yabona, like ezinye izinto asizazi yabona. It so happened ukuthi mina was up that time and I had nothing to do, bro. Like 2 a.m. And I know for a fact I have that one friend, whomst I know, if I call this bro, he's awake.
Up.
There are two of them. May I call them? I'm a chancelinga. Actually, the fact that I answer my phone is so confirmation.
So good chopping.
I'm coming to get you guys. Mkhambe 2 a.m. Sihlala sizokuthiwa kule ndawo lapha abama khona.
Ontasigeni. Ama worker phela.
My sister
No, but you guys need to also you need to bear in mind abantu laba basemsebenzini.
basebenza phela.
Basebenza.
Sihambe lapha. Yiko ngabona konke thina silungile. Like yabonga kwazi ukuthi a good guy up until ufike
Until
kuma
you have to be a
situation.
good guy.
Sesifikile dog lapha bamile lapha. Zwiz chomi. Akho khuluma anything. Machete. Alpha. My sisters are sondele eduze lapha. My sister thi hey. My sister thi hey. That is hi. Hi. How are you? I'm good. How much is lunch on? Sister, khuluma ngesangani. Ndokuita 25 mese. Money 3. Till you come. That's money 3. Ha. Kwakusase isikhathi sama not amaziki la. Kuyipenye beperformance bond. 25 bond. My sister was uthi sizosothela ngapi stuff. Athina bro, we are boys, like boys, we're connected like that. Aslanda, my sister, get in the car. You know, it take turns to come at the bake there to do the items. I don't know what happened with the first one, but I remember my sister Luana, a keeper like e plastic. Then we're asking ourselves, my sister, ngiyangaphi enzwa lela kuze nini?
Edlelo sitsini.
Ichom lam lahle lathi no. It's fine. I think ingqondo zabuya. Ingqondo zethu zonke labana zahle zabuya. Zahle sathi hayi no, my sister is fine. You can take the money. Shout out to you. What's your name, by the way? My name is Gamchirai. Shout out to you, Gamchirai.
Shout out Gamchirai.
Tinoku Gamchira.
Shout out Gamchirai.
For helping us in our social experiment. But it was successful. manje drive yokubuyela endlini abafana sazisola manje fana ulanto abana ungabona ungaregret yani into ezinjalo but anti yabona tika racing sesikuxoxa ku podcast like ngizama ulijensithi mina lo chom lo abantu abaningi ngizabeya labo ku Elizabeth mbona ngixoxa labo like we've been ezinye izinto azikhulumeki like just incriminate but besixoxa just before the podcast I'm like bro ecabanga into lesixoxa ngaka resingase ekhuluma ngayo podcast
akuyenzi bro
akuyenzi
uyabu employed dog HR uyakubiza ku HR office bro
ya lokho yakuyisimo madoda
ufaka lokuhlala eoffice
ngicela ukuthi ngilikhuze ka Tesla mina lami ngani impilo yami singihambela ngaphandle kwe podcast yendo digital footprint
and the internet never forgets bro.
That's why I had to clarify into lani yamnyashi lana ukuthi guys
that was a different
joking thing ngenze ukuthi uHR ngizela ngizamnika la lay futhi ngithi yeah no but I apologized for saying
sorry to bring you back bro kulombuzo abakubuza wena ongawubuzanga abanye would you date a broke girl
yale I think you sesifala ngawo inkazana
engelamali
While he says
Pendula nini?
Okay. Now it depends ukuthi why ngela mali. Udinga umsebenzi akawutholi.
Brother, this woman doesn't have money.
You know what? I would date a girl without money. But kuyabe sokudependa ukuthi ububroke uyazenza kumbe uyenziwa.
Kwenziwa isimo.
Okusala you broke.
Kusala you broke bro.
No, phela kulomnye broke lengqondo. Ukuthi okay, right. Serious ngicina ukuthi okay. Uyabuyithi okay,
Sandra ngemali lapha baba emergency.
Angiyali. Listen.
Asifuni intellect.
This is
asifuni my goals.
This is my chart. My chart is uCherry amthole ngela mali. And
yeah.
Right. Ubusithi okay, mina I want to build something no Cherry Lord. Okay. Babe ngawuni 1000 ikathesu uyayenzani. What she says from there will determine ukuthi can you continue.
Dabula lo mongi lapha eKhothoni.
Mongi dog yasplaga ngama bed lapha dog.
Exactly. With that mindset ngihle ngithi no. But omunye ngathi vele I've been trying to start up this business when so capital. Can you escort me ngalo? Uhle ubona okay, lo gala mali.
But lezi izinto zikuze no lapha sujola lapha mawusenza so. Sibuza thina sithi
first interaction bro
lisaxoxa lapha
yikho thola khona phela iz information yona le talking stage that's when
ukukhuluma lokukwalitha kufana
yiliqiniso
uzakhuluma
procurement budget
yakhuluma organize
the maintenance budget
okay hear me out mgcini uCherry nxa lisakhuluma on a talking stage check uyabubona okay umuntu lo ulama ambitions ulesifiso sokwenza something omunye akuthi check mina vele lokho I just want a guy ozanthatha ngicine ngibe right vele mina
housewife
amfuni ma problems lani ngibe ngiphomba uthatha imali yakhe ngisayenza inwele uhle ubona ukuthi liability mina hayi mina ngifuna ukuthi indoda yami lapha nani ingavula icompany navele yahle ngisenze ecompany yethu ngimeke sure ukuthi even la nxa ifuna resta lami ngiyakwanisa uhle ubona ukuthi okay umuntu lo ule ambition but ubroke kathi
ngala mali kodwa uyazama
it all goes to the brain
lathi basizwela njalo
basizwela njalo uthi apha
ngicina kula mali particular ambition
yeah dog shout out to the ladies who rock with us
yeah mina
it's not easy dog dating broke guys
it's
really not easy dog
ngambona abanye uCherry bepost ama iPhone 17
ngukhangele that thing is not easy I think ukujwala umuntu ela mali akukhulu
wona ungajwela lechelo ngalamali obroke
ayifocela amakazana imali
mina ngeke
yakwazi ukuthi
nanza manje ngiphendule
ngeke
mina ngeke
ufuna umcela imali yakhe
mina kuleli ichom lami like a previous episode elani audio vision wathi mina vele ngama standards ami mina ngila mali kodwa lama ngingijwele lechelo ngalamali
right kulomunye ufundisi okwa trained ekhuluma internally yathi unogona kudanana nemuntu asina but arguda kuba nacho and ubusumyala for someone anacho ngesikhathi umdate ahlabe broke
but also
so uyalela umuntu iphase
no but also to that do you know what impilo ayisona Nigerian movie guys so kungaba hoyesi akuthi ungela senti
I feel like u2025
athola umuntu olemali amthande babe happy babe labantwana
mina
babe happily ever after Impilo yase-Nigerian movie phela
imali somele yabo kwazi vele ilobola la ngikhona lizabe li-expensive ngoba kuvukwa ngawo.
I think we also need to talk about ilobolo ukuthi si-transaction.
Ukuplasta izindlu zaplasta izindlu zabomamazala.
Isintu bani ukuthi babazali somthengele isudu?
Sokumele
isintu se-grocery.
Isintu.
No, I think list trend.
The problem is the main reason of the whole idea of ilobolo. By right, fine, I'll speak of the Ndebele culture that I know. By right, kulocholwa abantwana.
Yes.
So the whole point of saying I'm graduate, what win, what in the local, that's none of my business.
Umntanakho umfundisi.
Umntanakho
exactly. That's your parents, ngiyabe ngishocked ukuthi umntanami samhambise university. Also abazali bangahambise eBhawa.
eBhawa, exactly. You understand? So now they are putting ilobolo, value ilobolo into something
so
different
business, Lokana,
apart
bro.
from what the main reason is.
So we business.
Exactly.
I think xa usiyalobola kumele uhambe ebhasikile. Ngoba ungafika ngeBenz ani.
Abadila sebatshelile abangiwe ukuthi i-payslip yami minjani. Amankazana lawa yasifanda.
Amankazana.
As throw under the bus. So cherry because like ngiwe befuna ukuphuma phela ngemali ecacayo.
But it's actually funny, Jackie. Lately, I don't know if it's something that is really happening. But lately, ngiyengezwa abanye besithi like ngocheri bayakunika i-budget ukuthi roughly alright barely so much.
Sebenza yeah.
Imali inveli lobola.
Akadependa
usually
lobola recently la manasbo.
Ayibona ngimi imntana ngathi bahambile ngama 500. Bathethe.
Mina ngifisa ngitholoza ozathi bathi nikolayo so right.
Is esikhathini esiningi abanqabe lotshola ibhadalwa yonke.
Nansi story is true la. There's a guy ohlala next door lapha engihlala khona. Ube le problem ngama-gets and everything. Wacela ukubuya ukuzoprinta i-stuff sakhe by my place. Ngathi I know setup wabe print wathi je kuzobona into engiyiprintayo. Ube printa ilobolo. I-total was 7,000. But now into engimangalisileyo i-damage was 3,000.
Shout out makhelwane. Shuthi
3,000 i-damage. Kule into ekuthiwa amatekenya ndevu.
Why damage imatenkeng yendiwe?
No.
Hayi damage yabibhaliwe damage 3K iyodwa.
Then the rest.
Okunye I think it was a list of about 20 things and yikho kube yi4K. Ngathi so i-damage.
Yikho mina kade ngikutsho ukuthi I think kulobola were really I don't know by the day siyasuka from the core of what ukulobola is. Because
influence
I don't think mina ngesikhathi sabochaka kwakulamasudu. So why kathi sokumele kuthiwa kulobola kule sudu kababa?
That's yakwazi ukuthi ilobola
No,
at some
but
point.
angisho look, if we're saying we're taking culture, then we should take it for what it is, angisho. Ayukuthi sesithi thina sudu.
I think lokho githi sokuyi ngingathi benefit of doubt of some sort. Ukuthi kulezinye izinto maybe ezaziqanjwa back then ezithi zingaqanjwa kathesi zingani ziba
as make sense.
Exactly. Yabo, because for example kule jazi lika mama leliyana vele it's been there since inkomo ka mama it's been there since
jazi lika mama
ijali actually since the jazi.
Shout out to Jurex.
Exactly. You know mkhwenyana there. Yeah.
Okay.
So I think
But still,
izinto ezinjalo slowly yizo sezingani ziyatshintsha ilobolo libe ngani liya modernized of some sort. Yabo? Because even in the ndaba ama grocery nale I don't think it's something that was there.
Why kulotsholwa? Maybe we need to get to that. What's the point?
Why
of
kulotsholwa?
lobola?
Kulotsholwa abantwana like the kids that you're going to have.
Right.
Those are the people obalobola.
Because yes,
Also-
my families. Kule inye theory ayisithi yona na the point was to prove that you can provide for the daughter.
I think that's one of them actually.
That's one of them.
Because
Anish.
I suppose there's a list.
Anish.
Also,
yeah, in India,
To India it's the other way
kulotsholwa
around.
ama-gents,
With the guy, yeah.
I don't
But
know,
I
man.
Ngithi indaba le lobola
Awufuni ke-
yokugamula abantu kulobola I also find it funny because I think it's a bit reverse because since I would charge 10,000 for lobola and in the culture party you can't pay all of it kawan, right? So it means Tina, we're trying to build our future now, right? But saying 2,000 of keep every month or every 2-3 months. Which affects our future.
lesana siphele uyafala so.
Squarity lesana sila time stamp lesana dog.
But you can go to bro.
Abanye abazali baba baqedanga lobola lapho.
But
Mama kuhlezi ngesquarity.
I think the most important part and you will show it up and pay something. I think that's the important part.
Yakhanya ngathi
but
ngifana.
Because vele isikweleti sehlala sikhona.
Yakhanya ngathi ngifana.
Awu sozwa.
But amande ebuzo umama bento baqedela.
Vele angisho vele kuthiwa ilobola liqedile. Kuthiwa umuntu angaqeda ilobola uyadelela.
Yeah, but even ukuthi ngaba lo mntwana sofa liyobhadala futhi, but at the same time it still can't.
Yeah, well,
Lapha
damage is valid.
unotha ngawe la.
No, damage I
But
think is very
damage is
valid.
valid. 3K.
Because
3K is very valid.
well,
I'm
look,
happy for-
damage could be anything. Also uthi ungonile uzongitshela ukuthi ungixolisa nje.
Ngisenza ngedwa yini.
Okay, let me put it this way. I3K lay is equivalent to 8 cows
Yeah.
damage.
No, bro.
Then the whole lobolo is now equivalent to
Right.
10 cows.
Angisoze mina ngithi ngulimazile. Ngikutshela ukuthi uphole nje.
Okay, angyali. But now this is the chart, Anju.
Indoda labo sisi.
From the conversation,
Uphole njani?
from the conversation, it damages cut eziningazi bakhuluma ngani. Qamli biscuit.
No ismo
But the biscuit and very
umntana-
qamukile.
umntana
When now-
asiyazi.
because like woman like hear the chart paid up before you ask the question.
Umntana
Hear-
bonyana ngimtshela.
Hear the chart before you lokhuza. Wena laphana abadala bakho kumele ufike ubatshele lonke iqiniso. Wayiqamula yini ibiscuit? Hayi ndiqamulanga. But wadli ipiece eqamukileyo? Yeah, sharp.
Look, regardless.
Because now at the end of the day if the negotiators
Influence lokhu zenini kono.
sorry?
Yi wild card.
Yes. Exactly.
Oh ngojoke reverse.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So now into NLA, it might even significantly drop even ilobola.
Sebesivuthuzo
But realize ukuthi sikhuluma ngelobola as like sesenza i-budget for lobola. I don't think that's the way it should be. I think ilobola should be a thing of mdala siyakwamukela thatha umntwana inkomo. But anjobona kathi sudinga ama-jack reverse ukuthi kuyehla ilobola because
But yabonani bro. That's why going back to umbuzo adubuzile. Ukuthi would you date umuntu ovela from a Brock family? Nani? Amajita marry into a family abakuthandayo bro. Like yabona
feel at home.
ubabazala maye kubona so.
Abe happy.
Abe
happy.
Ukwanisa ukuhamba ko esasenguchero wakho.
Sasenguchero wakho.
Lihambe.
Yodlilanji lani.
Ubuyela idiski lomdala wakhe. Like because yoma ama situation nalana lomdala wakhe.
Nxa ekhona.
Nxa ekhona. Nxa ukuthi present father. Mayengekho siyabukela lo mama. Because the mom is everything. Yabo? Ungachatha JM and
also kuyenza izinto zibe
bro
kuyaba lokuyi-tension dog ukuthi but lani selingicharge 10,000
bro same thing with abafazi like ungachade emulini lapha bakuthanda khona abasoke bafike bekuharasa uthi sithwalisa imbiza asusenziswa
like ngicina sikalobola asikwazi
lapha ngikhuluma izifiso zami
alright
ngikhuluma le kunye futhi engakubonanga ukuthi ke especially ukuthi emuli ekuthandayo mbrana
yeah well you can tell umngani wakho dog more than
emuli ekuthandayo awusukucomplain even nelobola abasuke baku-throw under the bus bro because
they really want you there, hey?
They love you as their son.
So to answer your original question, would you date a broke girl? No, I wouldn't date a broke girl.
Type shit.
But let's define what broke is.
Awuna mali.
No,
Yeah,
the
literally,
other
bro.
man is sent in, or because for me, when I say I wouldn't date a broke girl, I mean I wouldn't date a girl or feel gala. But like if you are showing Guti, okay, yakubambela we $100, kumbe we $10, yakuzame something, at least you have an appreciation. Not umuntu ozathe imali for the first time aye together, and so uzahle kumngene ekhanda ukuthi
umuntu ongajayelanga imali dangerous.
ukuze ubujwayele imali.
Ukhuluma in context yomunye umfundisi wathi libonanzelela between umuntu ofuna udatela uthando lofuna udatela uncedo.
Sesinga minutes lapho mpala. Shout out. Sangeke lithi asilizamanga nge-podcast. Zinjo.
Whole episode, mate.
Hot episode, mate.
Yeah, mate. So really,
It's Tuesday, innit?
have they gone back, mate?
No, amanga.
They're still around.
Yes, para plus 44.
Yeah, no, shout out for coming home.
Shout out to the
Shout
plus
out.
44s, the plus 1s,
So hot.
and the plus 27s. No matter what my phone. Shout out, guys. Right.
But you know sometimes maybe point nxa ihamba so one siyeke lihambe sibili ngene ku 2 hours but nxa siyiposta lapha sihle sithi to be continued. Sithi ba kona
Part
ba.
2.
Part 2.
Part 2.
Yeah, we should start
Yeah, I
doing
know.
that now.
But
So,
it was
so
nice
big
to
in the
see
first
abantu coming back home, dog.
Yeah,
you-
December was.
Yeah, dog. Bese kuleki culture ukuthi abantu bahamba.
Bengafuna ukuyela emsebenzini guys. Mina bangisebenza Christmas.
Yeah. Yeah.
Into engangakwazi ukuthi izaphuma emlonyeni wami.
Yikho phela engutshoyo, dog, ukuthi it was really nice ukuthi abantu could actually find the time to.
No, but you're right. I think
You know?
this is probably the first December since before COVID where it was really like
Yeah,
packed.
Yeah.
People
People
came. CBD, like,
you know,
they
from
came
That
in
was
numbers.
really cool. And when they came for everything, like events. They really showed up. They came.
And ngeke kumnandi njalo.
Price.
Ngeke kumnandi.
Shout out Gamchirai.
Shout out to Gamu.
Shout out Gamchirai.
Shout out to Gamu.
Yeah, dog. People really came. A lot of people. Because ukuthi even businesses made money. Like I'm a local brands.
Yeah, shout out to Cotton, man.
Yeah,
like, I
dog.
know the
Yeah,
money here.
Racked it in, G.
Shout out to Cotton.
Abe
Because
skipper.
namhla ama-lunch adibe
Ama-family
khona la.
lunch.
Lokhana bekutshengisa ukuthi wena ngini you're a family
Sibuza ukudla.
ungumndeni.
Asikaphiwa phela ukudla.
Inyama iphelile kuma-lunch.
No, legit, dude.
Asafonela
Nah, but I think this whole week
ubhuti
it was a week of family dinners, family lunches.
No, my brother.
whatnot,
It's
and
either you come from a family or umdeni. I'm a family swabonile today.
So short
Oh,
indie.
family
But I know-
No, we
yeah,
saw
yeah,
families
two
today,
different-
bro.
Oh, okay.
Deni, hey.
Hey.
But yeah, into engiyikhulume during the in closing, into engiyikhulume ku-podcast. Guys, cela nibe patient with us. Izaba mnandi kwamanye ama-days. Ayisoke ibe mnandi kwamanye ama-days. But just know ukuthi izaba khona. And whatever siza kukhipha siyabe siyenze at our very best ukuthi at least provide you with something. And thank you very much to everyone who has been supporting us, watching us, commenting, liking, subscribing.
Referring us.
Thank you very much. But otherwise, shout out to Sapasta.
Guys,
Coming
bizo lami
in.
ngithonga uMondli.
Sambona next year.
Hey, dog. Here and there, you know.
We'll be coming in
Yeah,
there.
coming here and there.
Parano.
Yeah, shout out Gamchirai.
Coming in there. Coming in there.
Coming here and there. But yeah, no. Let's wrap this up.
I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready?